Well, this is certainly not how it left the assembly line back in 1930, but this is a genuine 1930 Ford steel body coupe, old school hot rod. It's got all sorts of custom body work done. It's got a cool motor, got a cool look, nice car top to bottom. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read about it, study all the pictures. That's where you find a price tag along with an easy monthly payment. You'll also find a buy it now button. If you see a car that you really like, I highly suggest hit that button, lock it in before someone beats you to it. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon to be notified when the new ones are posted. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Okay, the body is shaved, chopped, and punched. I'll be honest with you, I haven't heard punched before. Maybe you can leave the comments what that means. But I do know what it means that it's been chopped. They took a section out of it, they lowered it down. This is a 5-window coupe. Also, the tops used to have like a vinyl insert to save money and save metal. So they put in a ribbed metal roof in this car. Shaved means they took the handles off of it. There's a lever underneath here. You can push it with your foot, and it opens the door. Might have to use your hand, not your foot. The trunk opens from inside. So the metal body all looks really good. It's not bubbling up. I don't remember if the corners were rounded originally or not, or if they were square. They shaved the handle. This is all nice, clean metal. This is all looking good. I don't see damage. I don't see body work, cracking. I don't see any of that. There's the little lever to open the door on this side too. They shut nice and solid. Excellent, no rust, no bubbles, all real nice. The fuel filler used to be up here. They shaved and filled that in. It has a 1930s style grill shell. Got the original metal visor. So yeah, this side of the body is excellent too. So really nice, clean body work. They say it's painted Matador red. It's a smooth, glossy finish. I mean, you might find a little imperfection or a little dust in the paint or something like that, but overall it looks really sharp. A little tiny nick right there. They did spray it with the same color, but the chip guard paint, so it's a little more durable right in there. All the glass in the car looks really good. That would have been replaced when they chopped it. They would have put new glass in it. It does have some hand pinstripes and black pinstriping going around it. Big, giant white walls. I love it. The big steely rims, the Ford script cap, the trim ring, and some big old BF Goodrich white wall tires. LED teardrop taillights with blue dots. This is cool. An upside down V8. It's a lady looking back at you. This is a Las Vegas car club emblem from the 50s. That's a real deal thing there. That's really cool. And of course, you got the same white wall tires up front, just a much smaller version. Yeah, chrome headlights in front. So let's open it up and see the trunk, the interior, and the motor. I just noticed there's a little tiny scratch right there. It's a power trunk release, electric. I already hit the button from inside the car. Has the original style latch. Hey, it worked then, it works now. This is real nice. This is all completely carpeted. Got bound edges. Here's where you put the gas in it now. Battery is under here, I assume. Yeah, it's a nice looking trunk. Glass has a real slight tint. Not a stick-on tint, it's a smoked glass. Weather strips around the doors look good. Door panels are cloth and vinyl. They look real nice. Metal dash, all painted and smoothed out. All hand pinstripe. Got a nice billet instrument panel with a full set of matching autometer gauges. 4,800 miles on the car. That's your turn signal indicators and a high beam indicator. It's all carpeted. Here's the old thrush woodpecker smoking the cigar. B&M shifter. Got some big safety belts, racing style belts. Got a pocket on the front of the seat. seat is very comfortable. I fit in this car very well. And then it's all cloth wrapped headliner. Excuse me. And up above is a stereo with a couple of speakers. It's a Grant polished wood wheel with a shift light and turn signal switch. So the engine is a 350 with 4-bolt mains. It's been blueprinted, dyno tuned. It has a clay, excuse me, a Clay Smith solid cam, aluminum side shot headers. On top is an EnduraShine intake with dual polished Edelbrock carbs, and then it has this tall, cool-looking snorkel air cleaner with a flapper door that opens and closes with the throttle. And it's dressed up with some finned aluminum breather, valve covers, has some nice plug wire holders. It's like a chrome water pump, chrome alternator, pulleys, brackets. Got a fuel regulator, nice dipstick for the trans. So underneath the car, the frame has been boxed and painted. Up front it has a 4-inch dropped axle with shocks, transverse spring. It's got a big, heavy trailing arm coming off the back of it. In back, it's a 4-link system with a panhard bar, coilover shocks. You look up at the motor as a finned aluminum oil pan, kind of matches the rest of what's going on, plus a finned aluminum oil filter cover. It's a 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission. I think I had a few more notes on the transmission. Yeah, B&M shifter and an external transmission cooler, and that also has a finned aluminum pan. It has a hardened steel drive shaft, heavy-duty Ford 9-inch rear. So just a cool old school hot rod. This is just fun. You know, it doesn't, you don't have to spend $100 grand to have a cool hot rod that's going to get looks and compliments. Go to volocars.com. That's where the salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get it delivered to your door, how to get it financed. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.